Hey, this is Mike with Element Mortgage. I just want to do a quick breakdown on this home that's here in Roseville. It's already had a $26,000 price reduction, and there may be some options available to be able to not only get a better deal on this home, but to be able to buy down your interest rate too for if you structure the loan properly. So again, this home's on the market for $849,000. It's got a $26,000 price reduction. And it's already been on the home for I think about 24 days, which is kind of common in today's market. Now, this link, I'll have the link down below. You can click on this and go through the numbers at any time. But the first line is actually going to be today's list price at 849, with today's interest rate somewhere around 7.25 with 20% down. And this is going to be a base as to how we're going to take a look at the rest of the numbers and how this makes sense. Now, the next one, row two, is if we ask for a $20,000 price reduction on top of the price reduction they did already. Now, a $20,000 price reduction in the same loan scenario would save us about $130 a month, and that's going to be located right here. Now, option three is actually coming back to the seller and asking the seller for a $20,000 seller credit, but we're going to make it a little bit easier on the seller, and we're going to be raising the price by $10,000. So by increasing that price by $10,000 and asking for a $10,000 seller credit, or a total of $20,000 altogether, should allow us to be able to make a big adjustment in our interest rate, and this should give us a savings of about $400 a month compared to the 131 with the same amount of money. Now, the last option is taking a look at number four, where we're looking at the monthly payment, which is highlighted right here. But with today's interest rate at 7.25, we'd actually have to ask for a price reduction to have the home reduced to $785,000 to achieve the same payment as using a $20,000 seller credit. So if you'd like to have this customized for you, or if you have some questions and like to go a little bit deeper into how to use a seller credit and if it makes sense for you, feel free to reach out to me. But click on the link down below and you'll be able to go through these numbers a little bit more in depth.